The biggest pro and strength of Maya Crypto is how it's an all-in-one money app experience. No, you don't need to have multiple apps for different purposes. It's all in one. Now, whether you want to transact in crypto, whether you want to check on your savings, kung may mga savings goals ka, or when you transact with your debit card, andun na siya eh. Nasa isang app na siya. I think it's one of the easiest ways to get started in crypto. And magiging okay na talaga siya if they add that functionality that you can... Yo, what's up friends? Welcome back to this video. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Nicole. Today, we're talking about crypto. Crypto as in cryptocurrency, yes. So it's been a while since I made a crypto-related video, and there's so much that has happened in this industry, this space in the past few months, years, and I wanted to make this crypto video specifically for beginners, like you. So for transparency, this video is sponsored by Maya. I've already made a quick overview video about all of the new features Maya has to offer, which you guys can check here. But because they've recently upgraded and rebranded, they're working on releasing a lot of exciting features on the app. And like I promised, I'm making this video as a more in-depth guide to the crypto features of the Maya app mismo. For a quick summary of my honest thoughts on Maya Crypto, just to save you guys some time now, I'm not gonna say it's the best option, especially for more experienced crypto investors, but I think it's a pretty good platform for anyone who's a complete beginner who doesn't know anything about crypto yet, but wants to experiment and try it out. I'm gonna explain why I think that, but just to make this more organized now, here's how I want to structure this video. First, what is Maya Crypto? Ano ba yan? Next, what can you do with Maya Crypto? Ano yung features niya, yung limitations? And then third, we're gonna have a quick tutorial and guide on how to use it, especially for you guys who are complete beginners. Paano ba yan? Gusto kong bumili, gano'n. How do you buy, sell, set alerts, all those things. And then I wanna wrap it up by pointing out some of the things I noticed about Maya Crypto. Organized, flow. Okay, but just a quick disclaimer again because we're talking about crypto. Crypto is a very risky investment class, okay? This asset is very volatile, ang dami nangyari in this space. And I want to remind you guys to manage your risk. And you need to do your own research. I encourage you guys to do your own research to understand what you're putting your money into and ano ba yung ginagawa nyo with your money. Learn about what you're gonna put your money into it first and really decide for yourself. Do you want to be putting your money into this? Why? The risks associated with it. Okay? Kung clear yun, let's get started. First, what is Maya Crypto? Once again, Pay Maya is now Maya. They rebranded a few months ago and they're working to become the all-in-one money app for Filipinos. Sabi nila yun, but you guys be the judge. Nagagawa ba nila yun? So Maya is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and they have two licenses. So the first is their digital banking license for Maya Bank Incorporated, yung banking arm nila. And this feature gives 6% interest per annum on your savings, which is cool, mataas yan. And then the second one, which is important for this video, is the Virtual Asset Service Provider license, which allows them to provide services now related to the transfer or exchange of virtual assets, like cryptocurrencies. But in simple terms, these licenses just ensure that transactions, especially crypto transactions on Maya, are safe and regulated. If you want to learn more about the VASP license, you can check out this circular issued by the BSP, I think number 1108, so that you understand what VASP is and then what they're required to comply with para you can gauge how safe a certain platform is. Kasi yung importante if you're gonna be using a platform, you need to make sure if they're regulated, if they actually comply on mga rules and guidelines para you as a consumer is protected if ever something happens. Yeah, so some of the key points you'll find in this document, meron yung mga definition of terms. You will also see yung requirements before a company is actually issued or given a VASP license. And then nandun din naka-outline yung what they're expected to comply with. For example, meron yung mga guidelines on wallet security, internal control, meron din yung consumer protection. What rights do we have as consumers when we're using this platform, no? Tapos something goes wrong, how are we protected? Meron din yung mga due diligence requirements, guidelines that all of these companies need to comply with para nga maging safe, regulated, hindi sketchy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did quite a bit of research for this video because I wanted to make sure na nandito siya comprehensive yung kailangan nyo malaman. So according to my research, Maya is a Coinbase institutional partner. What this means is that Maya is making use of Coinbase as an infrastructure to serve as the foundation for its crypto features. For those of you guys who aren't familiar, Coinbase is actually one of the earliest and largest crypto companies in the world. So they started in 2012, early crypto days, and they're currently a publicly traded company on the US stock exchange. Yung IPO nila last year, and this was a big event. It's like two worlds collide because the crypto market and then the traditional market, stock market, was and I actually listened to a podcast episode where their founder, Brian Armstrong, was sharing their startup story. So if you guys are interested in business type things, startup related things, I suggest you guys listen to this episode. Super cool insights. But yeah, just It's not that related, but I wanted to share because I find these things so interesting. Yeah, and so Coinbase as an institution, they actually provide services to other institutions and enterprises like Maya so that they can make use of like their existing products and services that they can build on top of. Because Coinbase by itself, like they specialize in like this crypto thing na they've been doing it for such a long time. Therefore, they're just gonna give institutions who kind of want to do crypto-related things or like offer crypto-related products. This is important to note para alam mo kung paano nagpo-function yung crypto-related features ng isang app. So yun nga, yung Coinbase institutional, they actually serve other institutions, enterprises like Maya. Because they've been in the space for such a long time. They specialize in this, no? Talagang nasa crypto industry na sila noong 2012 pa. And therefore, they offer institutions and enterprises like Maya to give them like a backbone of products, yung infrastructure talaga, and services to build on top of kung anong klaseng services yung gusto nila i-provide. It's more efficient and secure compared to if Maya were to build their entire crypto-related features from scratch. Like, hindi mismong gawa ni Maya yung crypto features nila. Like, they're making use of another company's offering. So, they're partnered with Coinbase. And Coinbase is like a big player in this space. And that's important to note. Now, let's talk about what you can do with Maya Crypto. Like I said kanina, diba? Maya Crypto is pretty good for absolute beginners. Like, let's talk about the list of features and you guys decide kung gusto nyo siyang gamitin or not. Okay, first, very good for beginners because you can actually invest in crypto, no, buy or sell, for as low as 1 peso. 1 peso. Sorry. Oops. Yeah, so you can buy or sell cryptocurrencies on Maya for as low as 1 peso. And I think that makes it super beginner friendly now because you don't need a lot to actually experiment, to see, to dip your toes in the water, no? So they currently have about 15 cryptocurrencies. Medyo limited yung options nila, but they're slowly gonna add more. Pero yung major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Tether, they're there naman, they're available. And I'll talk more about this later, but as of recording this video, you cannot transfer crypto in or out of the app. You can only buy, sell, and hodl, but if you want to like send crypto from your Maya wallet or like transfer in, you cannot do that. So Maya Crypto right now functions like a custodial wallet, meaning it's like a third party, no, that holds your coins. And it kind of works like a CFD, contract for difference, because technically you can only buy, sell, and you parang trading lang siya. Hindi pa siya talaga you own the coins and then you can actually transact and use it. So that's like the function, that's the limits of the functionalities of what Maya Crypto is. For the transaction limit naman, depende kung bigatin ka. For buying crypto, you are limited to be able to buy 100,000 pesos. But you actually don't have a limitation for how much you can sell. And another nice beginner-friendly thing about Maya Crypto, specifically your Maya wallet, is that you can cash in for free, plug and play lang siya, and whatever balance you have in your Maya wallet, you can just make use of that to buy and sell crypto. So, ganun na. Like, there's no extra steps of you, like, needing to log in dito pa para makabili ka ng crypto. Like, immediately, because you have your Maya wallet na, and it's essentially like an all-in-one money app, you can just use the funds that you have in your Maya wallet to buy crypto. Ganun na siya, plug and play. Everything is in one place. And another nice thing that makes it beginner-friendly, if you look at the crypto tab, no, meron siyang guides, like easy beginner guides for you to learn more about crypto. Because that's what I said earlier, diba? It's super important for you to understand, to know what you're putting your money into. And if you really want to get into this space, this crypto, no, you need to understand how it works. Kailangan mo malaman kung ano ba pinapasukan mo ng pera mo. How does this work? Paano ka kikita? Paano ka malulugi? No, that's how you manage your risk. And they have a section nga where you can learn quick start guides on what crypto is, yung mga terms. There's a glossary there, may mga articles din sila that talk about certain crypto concepts. And another nice thing is it's important to be updated kasi on what's happening in the crypto market. And it's such a fast-moving space, but I appreciate na sa Maya app, there's like a portion there where you can read news articles from several crypto websites. Now it's time for the tutorial. How do you use the Maya Crypto app? So for you guys, beginners, medyo lost, confused, paano ba ito gamitin? Gusto ko siyang gamitin, di ko alam paano. So for this part of the video, I'm gonna give a quick step-by-step guide on how to make use of Maya Crypto, no? Like how to buy, how to sell, how to set an alert, all those things. Turuan ko kayo. Kung wala pa kayong account sa Maya, you guys can make use of my code when you sign up. Kung kakagawa nyo pa lang ng account, just take note, no? Before you get access to the Maya Crypto, you need to have a verified account. Like, I'll flash yung instruction kung paano maging verified user sa Maya. If you're not a verified user, maraming features ang magiging hindi available para sa inyo. So, wala kayong parang Maya Savings, wala kayong Maya Credit, Maya Crypto. Verify nyo muna yung account nyo kung hindi pa. Ngayon, yung tutorial first, no? Of course, we open the Maya app. We'll go to the crypto feature. And when you go to the crypto tab, you'll see that there's a handful of cryptocurrencies, no, that you can tap on, that you can buy and sell. So, just pick which one you want. For example, gusto ko ng Bitcoin. So, I'll tap on Bitcoin and I can buy for as low as 1 peso. But let's say, for example, I'll put in a certain amount. Yung maximum naman of how much you can buy depends on magkano yung laman ng Maya wallet mo. Yeah, type ko lang kung magkano yung gusto ko. I'll check the transaction confirmation, no, kung tama ba yung mga details. Then I just need to swipe right. Ayun. So that's it. Like, I already bought Bitcoin. Kung gusto ko naman ibenta, more or less the same thing. I'll just press sell, tap on Bitcoin again. Magkano yung gusto ko ibenta. Transaction, then swipe right. Yun na yun. That's it. Like, it's pretty easy, no? That's why I said, like, it's pretty good for beginners because there's not a lot of extra steps. Like, one more thing you can do with the app is that you can set alerts. Like, say, for example, tinatrack mo talaga yung presyo para you want to buy or sell at a certain amount. So, there are 3 different things that you can set alert for. First, you can set a specific price, no? And the app will notify you na, ay, tumaas siya sa ganitong price na sinet mo or bumaba siya sa ganitong price. You can also set an alert depending on how many % it increases or decreases. Kung hindi naman specific amount yung tinatrack nyo, baka like percentage. Like, kung umakit siya ng 5%, gusto ko ma-notify. And as an extension of that, you can also set yung 24-hour change. Let's say, for example, nagda-trade ka, you can actually set a notification now. Within a day, if the price drops mga 5%, gusto kong ma-notify. Or kung umakyat siya ng 10% within a day, gusto kong ma-notify para mabenta ko agad. Yun. So I think that's where alerts are useful. Okay, so hopefully at this point, medyo nagkaroon na kayo ng idea on how Maya Crypto is, ano yung features niya, kung paano siya gamitin. But like I said, I want to share some of my own personal thoughts, no, on what I think about the app. And depende doon, you guys can decide whether you want to use this feature or not. First, sinabi ko na to in my main Maya video, but one of the things that I'm not a fan of currently sa Maya Crypto is that you cannot send, receive, or like transfer crypto from your Maya Crypto wallet. For a lot of crypto investors, this could be a deal breaker. Talagang for trading purposes lang talaga siya. You can buy, sell, or hodl. That's it. You cannot send or receive or like do anything else with it. And there's a lot of things kasi you can do with crypto, no? You can stake, you can send and receive, you can transact, you can make use of it. If you guys wanted to get technical, no, the ethos of crypto is decentralization talaga. And there's a thing that people say, na not your keys, not your crypto, no? You have to take ownership of your coins. And because Maya is like a custodial wallet, you don't actually own your coins, no? Maya holds them for you. It depends if this is an issue, especially kung beginner ka lang naman talaga, you just want to buy, sell, trade, maybe this is not gonna be so much of a problem. But I found it important to point out. Pero sabi ni Maya, they're working on it, no? Para makapag-send, receive ka ng crypto with the Maya Crypto wallet. But as of right now, it's not available. I'm just waiting for it also. I'm just waiting for it to become available, and I hope that they add it soon. Kasi as of right now, when you buy coins, the only way that you can exit is if you sell it. No? But what if you don't want to like sell it kaagad? No? You just want to move it to a different wallet. Next thing I want to point out is that I noticed na medyo mataas yung transaction fee with Maya Crypto as compared to more sophisticated platforms. So syempre maraming crypto-related platforms na you can buy, sell, and transact crypto with. No? If you take a look at Maya, when you transact kasi, walang transaction fee na nakalagay. And I think it's because nakabake into the spread na siya. The spread is essentially yung price difference ng buy and sell. And wala dun yung transaction fee. Pero what happens is that nakabake in na siya sa price. Medyo mataas yung price. If you notice, no? If you calculate, if you compare like how much it costs to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or like any cryptocurrencies in the Maya Crypto app. Like, I think that's a trade-off. Like I was mentioning naman kanina, one of the good things about Maya is that free yung cash in with so many different partner channels, no? And therefore, kung ano man naman ng Maya wallet mo, you can already use that to buy crypto on Maya Crypto. So, mas less fees na as compared to like other platforms. You have to cash in pa, tapos magbabayad ka ng fee. At least dito, all-in-one platform na siya. And one of the things I want to emphasize talaga on how I view Maya Crypto is that it's a pretty good way talaga for beginners to get into crypto, no? Madalian lang. Like talagang 1 peso lang kasi kailangan mo before you can buy or sell crypto. And that's already like a very low barrier na parang mag-experiment ka lang para matuto ka on how crypto works. And I think yun yung strength ng Maya Crypto. And Maya app in general because yun nga, they're working to become the all-in-one money app for Filipinos, no? So, nandun na siya lahat. Like, you don't have to have separate platforms for like a crypto investments pa or like a savings account or like a wallet or like an e-card or to pay your bills. Hindi na siya watak-watak yung app na. Everything is just all-in-one. Yeah, innovation is cool. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something new, especially about Maya Crypto, no? I think it's a good practice to really research, no, and dive into the pros and cons of new platforms, new apps. Kasi that's what's exciting about this space, eh. Especially for me, mahilig akong mag-open ng mga bagong account to try things out. And I think what they're doing right now, si Maya, is commendable that they're innovating, they're actually pushing things now. They're trying to change it up, offer new products and features. And it's not to say na it's perfect, syempre, even for me. Like, I think like this could be better, this could be ano. But I think overall for the space, it's good when companies innovate talaga and push more para they can offer consumers like us better products. Yeah, tayo lang naman talaga nag-benefit eh. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!